Our Spy Kids theme is really focused on girls building critical thinking skills, right? And that kind of algebraic knowledge where we're filling in the gaps and learning that just because we don't have all the answers right now doesn't mean we can't conduct tests and gather evidence and figure out the answers.
We're making these stacks, and the player has to collect coins.
It showed them the pictures, so the students can really work at their own pace, and they also project all of this onto the screens. So while the teacher is giving oral directions, the students have this here, so if it's something that they maybe didn't hear, or if it's something that they maybe weren't sure about, they have the visual pieces as well, which I really think is advantageous. So then today, they're going to brainstorm what their image might look like before they put it on there, and then they're going to reflect on what that looks like. So Camp Invention does a really nice job of making it hands-on, but still having that academic reflection component, and they don't necessarily know that they're doing it.
Yes, it will be hot, so we'll have to be very careful not to touch the burner.
Everything outdoors can be used for STEM, and so nature has all kinds of resources that we can use for the kids to learn with. We hike with the kids and we identify animals and different animal tracks that they'll find in the mud. They'll identify different plants, and then we'll talk about how they can use those plants to build things or to make things.
The idea behind this is to get kids exposed early on so that when they get around to making choices and what kind of careers they want to go into, they actually have had some experience in activities that are related to that career. Oh, these kids love it. They're very engaged. They're very respectful. They're very curious. They're very inquisitive.
All right, boys, do we have everybody? All right, great. The Indiana Railroad Camp is a hands-on immersive experience for young adults to get their first opportunity to be in a railroad environment. We were able to use these incredible 400-ton machines from the railroad industry to teach hands-on lessons from science, technology, engineering, and math, to take these abstract educational elements and make them real and make them larger than life.
Do y'all have anything to add about what energy is?
This year we have Summer Learning Lab in the morning, so some of our kids have teachers and they're doing reading and math. Also, we have the grant from Don Woods and we're doing science. All the groups have new materials. They're doing a lot more STEM, and they do, even if they're not doing a STEM project that day, they're doing building every day with Magnetiles and Legos, and they're getting a free lunch from the free summer lunch program. So their parents don't have to worry about that. They get snacks in the morning and the afternoon, and we're open from 9 to 3. So it's really important for parents to have that.
Huge shout out to Don Wood for gifting us this opportunity to be able to help more kids be in our camp. I mean, the first day that their support helped us have 40 more kids sign up. And so I feel like it's just been a super gift to have, their support and to be able to reach more children, to get them connected to nature and excited about science and the world around them.
Operating an 80-year-old steam locomotive is incredibly logistically challenging and expensive. Just a ton of coal can cost over 300 tons. A steam locomotive can cost up to $12,000 a day to operate. So to have sponsors like the Don Wood Foundation, to have underwriters out there that can help make these experiences possible is really incredible and extremely valuable. It takes the burden off of us as a nonprofit to be able to make these programs possible.